In this prerequisite video, we're going to go ahead and create the project boards and the lists that we'll need in each board. So we're heading to the left navigation pane. Go ahead and select the plus sign to create a new board. Go ahead and select my background to match. And this one will be called, Finish Movie Review. And we'll create that one. And we got that one created. We'll create one more. Be Finish Spring Cleaning. And let's select the similar background. And then one more. Select the background. And this will be Vacation Prep. And create that one. It preloaded some looks like it preloaded some lists. These aren't the lists that I want, so I'm going to remove these by archiving. Alright, now let's check. Finish Movie Review doesn't have any lists. No lists for spring cleaning. Oh, there's Vacation Prep. It popped up a little slow. Okay, in Vacation Prep. So, alright, now we'll need lists for each board. The list that we want for each board will be to do. You can just hit enter because the add list is already, this add list button is already highlighted. So once you add your title, you can just hit enter, or you can press that button. Either works, as you can see. In progress and complete. All right, then we'll go down to spring cleaning and we're going to add the same titles. To do, in progress, and complete. All right, now we just need to add those for Vacation Prep as well. Let's review those. To do, in progress, and complete exists for each of the 3 boards that will serve as our project boards. All right, in the next video for prerequisite work, we'll add tasks to each of the lists in each of the project boards. See you in the next video.